This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 362 TBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 6, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, awning, oven, air conditioning, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 362 TBS is 12,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.